The first yoik that the Sami children learn in my area is the long-tailed duck, and it's like this. And in general, the first yoiks that the children learn are animal yoiks. This is really valuable for them to understand the worldview of the Sami people. They are learning to pretend that they are the animal, acting like they act. You are seeing the world through their eyes. And it's so much fun for the children. You're mimicking the animals. You're actually learning to be empathetic also. You're trying to imagine how it would be to be that animal. And you are connecting with that animal. You can communicate with everything that is in the world. You can be connected to everything that exists. So whatever you yoik, you will be connected to that thing. That's a really important thing about our worldview, to understand that we're not separated. Everything in this world is connected. And I feel like so many things in this world now has that exact issue. We don't feel connected to our surroundings, to our land, to our animals. And when you're yoiking different things, different animals, then you're learning to see the world from different perspectives. The thought about you being separated from the mountains, the rivers, or the animals, it's not there. You're not alone.